Hi folks, my name is Scott Jewell. I'm from Vernix RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today we're going to do a quick little walk around on this 2021 272BH. This is a hideout made by Keystone. A couple things I'll point out in the front here is this is pre-wired and prepped for Furrion side view cameras. This does have a nice pass-through all the way across the front. It has a power jack on the front, and then this year the power stabilizers are standard. So you're gonna have power stabilizers on all your new hideouts. This does have the LCI solid step, so a lot better step than the old one, which I love. You do have the little doggy tie up here with a bottle opener, which is nice. And then of course, power awning with LED light strips. It does have outside speakers. The radio inside's Bluetooth, so you can pair your phone to it, play your music. And then if you wanted a TV on the outside, they do have the plugs, 110 plug and the antenna plug right here. Another nice thing about this unit, we'll see the bathroom inside, but this does have a door straight to the bathroom. So the kids don't have to be going through the unit to use the bathroom, just in and out. They're not disturbing anybody that's on the inside there. So we do order everything with a spare, so it's got a spare tire on it here, which you need, and then you have about 25 to 30 feet of cord on here. That's 30 amp. City water connection, of course, is if the park has city water. So this is the bunkhouse model. So you've got bunks, and the nice thing about the bunks is it's going to give you a nice storage area in here. So we'll open that up, and you can see it's a huge compartment in there. So there's a lot of outside storage on this unit. All right, we're going to take a look inside. Okay, so we're inside the 272BH, and a couple things I'll point out inside here is you got lots of counter space in here, a nice big sink. Up inside here, you got a nice deep cabinet. You can actually fit a full dinner plate in here. You believe it or not, some units that you look at, they're not even deep enough to fit a full-size plate in them. And down below here, you can see it's got the road vac, which is a central vacuum system. So it comes with attachments, and you don't need to bring a vacuum with you either, which is really nice. So you've got a recessed oven here. So the cooktop is even with the countertops. So this is, you can actually use this as a workspace. It's tempered glass here. And something that's new is the 10 cubic foot refrigerator. So this is bigger than the old ones, and it does not have wire shelves anymore. It's glass, so just a lot nicer. Love the pantry space in here. You can't beat this. But if you needed more hanging clothes space, you can actually take these shelves out, and they do give you a rod in here, and you can use it as a wardrobe if you want to do that for the kids. You got double over double bunk beds in here. I really love that they actually integrate a ladder into the side here. A lot of your competition will not even give you a ladder in them. So, and then of course you have the typical booth that'll fold down into a bed. There is storage under both sides of the booth. And then the couch is a jackknife sofa, which that obviously will fold down flat, and there's complete storage underneath that too. So there's a lot of interior storage. This does have ducted air conditioning. So if you shut any doors in the bedroom or in the bathroom, you still have air ducts, you know, in each room. And if you kind of look in there, you can see that it's got a nice deep tub. It's got an entry door to the bathroom, so you don't have to walk through the unit. And then of course it's got a nice lavatory there with a mirror. So, and up in the front here, they are all coming now standard with the fireplace, and that is a heater also. And then we talked about your Bluetooth radio with outside speakers. And then there's a mounting block back here, so you can add a TV, we can add a TV, and it does have satellite prep for the roof. So everything is there. It's got a digital antenna, so all you need to do is just mount a TV and you'd be all set. So, and then inside the bedroom, you've got a queen size bed. There are hard doors that shut on both sides. They're not fabric shades or curtains. And you have wardrobe, just like that on both sides. And if you can kind of see in here, lots of storage under the bed there. That bag is actually your attachments for your vacuum. So lots of room in here. And it's only 27-foot box. All right, well, thanks for watching my quick video on the 272BH Hideout. If you have any questions, you can call me directly at 616-965-9624. You can also email me at scott@veringsrv.com. Again, thank you for watching my video.